most important part. The most important part. So our hood looks really naked. It needs some lettering, and I got a solution for that. Welcome back, everybody. So our Wranglers and Gladiators have always had a name on the hood, and right now our Gladiator doesn't. But we went to pixeldecal.com and we fixed that problem. Our hood decals just arrived from Pixel Decals. Let's open up the box. Let's see what's in the box. $82. You get your pixeldecal.com decal, another decal. So we got 82 for the name of our channel, 82 Media. So let's get these installed on the Jeep now. But first, I'll have my wife cut these in half so it's two separate decals. Alright guys, so I went with the 392 colors because we swapped all the badges on the Gladiator now and went with the bronze and gray. And this one's going to be that matte black with a gold outline, so let's check it out. Yeah, that looks pretty perfect. Alright guys, we're in the garage. We're about to install the 82 decal on the hood. I just want to show you the steps I take to make sure this is straight and goes on properly. So there's a few things that I use, and let me show what they are. I do use a dry erase marker. That way if you mark on it, it'll wipe right off. A measuring tape, because I mark halfway up the hood. That's where I like my decal to sit. And I mark the center. So I measure here to here, it's about 18 inches. And I also mark on the decal itself to find the center, so when I'm lining it up, it's easy to find the center. And then I like just to clean the hood off real quick with some rubbing alcohol. And then I'll spray a little bit of soapy water, not a terrible amount, but I just mist it on there. That way, if I need to pull it back up, I can. Just be real slow when you're tearing off your backing. Alright, so after you squeegee it on there, just take your time peeling this back. Just go slow. Just do one letter at a time. Just kind of press down. Make sure everything sticks. We just got the decal installed. Now you see all my dry erase marks, and this is why I use dry erase, so you can just take your towel and wipe them right off, just like that. Hopefully that helped you guys on your next install for getting the hood decals on your Jeep. Remember to like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next one.